That's your favorite.
What's up, bro? What questions you got for me, man?
I got you, man. So I've learned a lot since the first day. You know, that first meeting we had.
Yeah,
Because at that point, like I was still like I was just still trying to understand like kind of like what the hell is going on in the market, you know.
yeah.
So I was able to learn a lot. I think it's been like 3 weeks, 4 weeks. So I have a totally different
Mindset.
mindset, not mindset, but I'm more knowledgeable than what I was, than before, you know. So
Yeah,
now I can ask you questions. Like now that I've learned a lot, now I can ask you personal questions on like based on what I'm seeing, what I've seen, and just to be able to like finally be able to open up my own personal account and start getting active, you know.
yeah.
All right, perfect. Uh, let's
Oh,
see,
you
let's
ready? I
see.
heard your paper flip over.
All right, perfect. It's not a lot of questions. It's very simple. Um, so if I wanted to choose which one would be which one.
Ask me them all.
Okay. So the first thing I have on the list is your step by step. Your step by step. Like when you come to the charts, what is your step by step process? Like, hey, listen, like what is your step by step process from start to finish, you know?
What do you trade?
Um, let's say for example, I traded like to this morning. I didn't trade anything, but let's say you're trading um uh,
Say it again. Can you hear me?
I can hear you, yes.
All right, you kind of went out. What'd you say?
AUD USD.
AUD USD. Odd USD.
Sir.
What you doing in Australia?
So I mean, I have another mentor. Like he's in South Africa. He's been doing it
Yeah,
about he has the same about like experience as you.
yeah.
He's more so like teaching me like the basics, how to like analyze the charts and this and that. Um, but like he's pretty much this morning. I told him, yo, let's look at AUD USD and let's see how. I wanted to see how he would analyze the chart.
All right, I got you. All right, I hop on the daily. I obviously see we in buys. I go straight to the 4 hour. I obviously see we are in buys. We ain't got to do all the basic stuff, but you obviously see we're in buys. I take
Okay.
entries on my 30-minute. All I'm going to do is look for a support and my whole number. So obviously, since we already know that we're in buys, I'm gonna look for my support because I want to know my price ain't gonna break below something. This lets me know that I'm comfortable right here because price ain't breaking below. So since we're
Okay.
not breaking below, now that I got my support, I'm gonna put down my whole number in case somebody says, Anthony, where exactly do you put your money at? Well, I'm gonna put it at a whole number at 300, and since I already know we're in buys, I'm just gonna hit it right here. And it's no coincidence. This is my first time pulling up this odd USD that it's to the point to the T where my buy would be. One time, two times, three times.
Now here's the thing that I was in the chart. We were analyzing. We went for the monthly. We went into the monthly. We of course we highlighted the key areas, the key price areas. And then we went into like we briefly looked at the weekly, and then we went into the daily, and then into the 4 hour, and then eventually we went into the 30 minutes. And I seen what you see. I seen what you seen right here because I remember your method, right? I know that your method. You go into the 4 hour, you go into the 30 minutes, and I seen that like let's say the price was. Is there way that I can share my screen?
Yeah, let me stop sharing mine. Go ahead.
Okay, perfect. Share my screen. Entire screen. Share. Can you see it?
Yeah, it
Hopefully
says
it loads.
Mo
So
has started sharing screen.
perfect. Let's see. I don't know where my. Hopefully it didn't erase all my. Yeah, I don't know. It took away all my analysis,
You're good.
but li- literally when me and him when me and him were in the charts, I could see that price was coming down to this support right here, and I was thinking in my head like, yo, would Anthony have taken this trade?
And you know it.
And but here's the thing: what my other mentor said, he said this is that like he wouldn't really trade in this because it's consolidation. The price is consolidating. So what do you got to say about that?
You think banks care about consolidation?
No.
All right.
So like it could be any condition as long as there is a support and resistance, and
Yeah.
there's enough of a range to make money. You're in there.
The bank's making money. Why you can't?
That's true. That's true. So because I guess he's so. What do you have to say to people about people that really think? I mean, you already answered, but what do you have to say with people who are like, yo, I can't. That's against my principles. I can't. I shouldn't be in that kind of market where it's consolidating.
So is it the bank's principles or is it yours principles? And whose principles matter more?
That's true. That's true. That's true. All right, let's see. So me, I would have definitely been in that trade. Now, now this right here was definitely scary right here. This right here definitely scared me.
Then
This right
make
here.
make all your candlesticks black so you can't be scared.
Mm,
But you got a black background, so you either got to have a white background because if you when you change them black, then it's gonna match the background.
right. So is that has that method helped people that you've known to
It helped me when I had the
I
issues about being scared about that red and that blue. I just took it out and I was like,
mm,
okay, I'm just going straight off market structure and price because colors ain't going look. Because if you could change the colors to any color you want, them colors ain't got nothing to do with you. I got to take them colors out my view. So that's why I blacked them out.
sorry, my internet's acting retarded right now, man.
You're good.
Yeah, but so now we can just go into the second question is I remember in one of your YouTube videos, you saying that you've said not YouTube videos, but like one of your Instagram videos, you talked about like you just wait for confirmation.
Yeah.
What confirmation are you waiting for? You can go ahead and share your screen. I was active retarded. All right, hold on. Yo, all right. Can you still hear me?
Yeah.
I can't see you.
You got to stop sharing your screen.
All right, let me stop sharing. Ay, ay, ay. I don't want to have to hit refresh. Let me see. Damn. All right, hold on. Let me Can you still hear me?
Yeah.
All right, let me get on through my phone. so we can keep the process going. Keep this meeting rolling. I'm gonna join through my cellular device.
Okay.
Recording in progress.
Are you able to cancel out my from me recording? Cancel me from recording? I mean from sharing?
Yeah, I'll just send you another link.
Okay.
All right, I got you.